of 30 students, some use mobile phones M and camera C in taking photographs. Use the information to complete the Venn diagram. We will not take a look at the information particularly as yet, because we will be doubling up on the time and effort to go through all of this information. When completing a Venn diagram that has two intersecting sets, first, place numbers or expressions in the intersection or any region that is referred to as only. Why do we do that first? Because if we place information in the intersection of the two sets first, then we have no danger of additional information being in any other set, because there are only two sets. And if we place information in the section that is only, then we are sure that it is only in reference to that section and will not face any interference from any other set. 4X students use only cameras. The information will go in that section first. Some of these are at the same level, therefore we do not have any danger of doing one before the other, like the onlys and the intersection of the two sets. If we had three intersecting sets, then the information will have to be placed in the intersection of the three sets first, or any section that is at that same level also. Only, meaning that it is not in the intersection of that set and any other set. Only cameras. X students used both mobile phones and cameras. We are talking in reference to the intersection. They use mobile phones and cameras, therefore they use both devices, and that will be the intersection of the two sets. Those who use both mobile phones and cameras are in the intersection because they are in both sets. 20 students used mobile phones. In all of the students who use mobile phones, we have 20 of them. But if we take a look at this, we realize that X is in the intersection, which will cause X to be included in the number of students who use mobile phones also. So although they do not use only mobile phones, they use mobile phones and cameras, they still use mobile phones and will have to be included in the set of students who use mobile phones. The entire set represents those who use mobile phones. And of course we have X there already, and the entire number is 20. X students are in the intersection. The remainder is those who use mobile phones only. What remains is those who use mobile phones only. What remains after subtracting X from 20? We therefore will insert 20 minus X in that section, which represents those who use mobile phones only. Those who use mobile phones only will be the remainder when we subtract X of those students from the total number of students who use mobile phones, which is 20. So that will be 20 minus X. 2 students did not use either cameras or phones. 2 students did not use any of the devices. The 2 students who did not use any of the devices are in the universal set, but in neither of set C or M. They are already included in the Venn diagram. These 2 students, we do not have to account for them because they are already accounted for. They are in the Venn diagram, but not in any of the sets because they use neither mobile phones nor cameras in taking photographs. Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.